Most millennials and Zoomers prefer to buy essentials online. Groceries, clothes, electronics, skincare and even gas. In a world where convenience is king, the demand for fuel delivery services is on the rise. It has resolved the issues like slow invoicing process, helps in expense control, while ensuring the safety compliances. According to the On Fleet report, 55% to 60% of young Americans have more delivery apps than streaming services on their smartphones. The global on-demand fuel delivery market size was valued at United States $214.97 million in 2021, and its market is projected to reach United States $1,177.5 million by 2031. When creating a fuel delivery app, the major things to consider is features you are offering to your customers, which includes effortlessly order fuel to your doorstep with just a few taps on our customer app. Login. Users should be able to quickly go through a simple registration process and access their accounts in a fast and easy way. Gas delivery order. Buyers should be able to order the fuel type and quantity, use the location tracker, and schedule the delivery. Tariff calculator. Invoice will be shared with the users, in which the total amount the customer has to pay is mentioned. Fuel average calculator. Users can easily predict and measure on the app by defining the details like distance to the destination in kilometers, fuel efficiency, and fuel price. Order tracking. This feature enables people to track the execution of their orders in real time. With a powerful dashboard, admin can efficiently manage orders, track deliveries, and oversee user activity with the user management section. Fleet management. Admin can keep track of all the fleets along with their drivers and maintenance conditions and assign them to different delivery locations with a single click. Tankers. The admin panel should enable the administrator to add gas tankers to the fleet when necessary. Geofencing. Admin can share the best possible route for delivery with the drivers. Payments. Admins should be able to accept payments from clients after the order has been delivered. The Delivery Partner app for a fuel delivery service facilitates efficient order management and real-time delivery tracking for drivers. Receiver details. Dispatcher will get all the information and contact details of the receivers to make the delivery process easy and smooth. View customer requests. Drivers should be able to accept or reject the delivery request according to their feasibility. Digital signatures. The app interface should enable the driver to accept digital signatures from clients and generate receipts. Panic alerts. During their journey, if the driver faces any issues, then they could easily alert the managers using this feature. Status. Drivers should provide information of their status whether or not they are available for delivering orders. Surely, you can come up with a set of your own unique characteristics. Those should be added in your app. If you want to create your own fuel delivery app integrated with unique features according to your business needs, then our team of Royo can help you. We are offering you a comprehensive tech suite for fuel delivery app, including an admin panel, user app and delivery partner app. With over 5,000 plus satisfied clients worldwide, we're experts in custom software and app development. Click on the link given in the description and schedule a free consultation with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.